right? You really just want to engage that prefrontal cortex. You want to do those deep breathing exercises in through the nose, out through the nose. Engage that. Because when you engage that, you now know that you're opening up those front regions of your brain. And so you know that if that single thing is going to help you to think more. Because that's what you want to do. You need to open up the creative problem solving, the fact-based problem solving, and figure out what that is. You also want to develop the ability to do mindful practice, mindfulness practice, mindfulness meditation, being able to really be in the moment and discover the hidden messages that your brain might be keeping from you or that you need to discover. So when I talk about mindful meditation, it's very different than other types of meditation where you're meditating to relax or meditating for, to clear your mind. You're actually doing just the opposite when you're practicing mindful meditation. You are activating your brain. And you're doing so by thinking, by engaging, and by engaging all of your senses to the peak. Really hyper alerting your senses so that you can be aware of what's going on. So let's do this for a minute. Let's walk through a little bit of a mindfulness practice. Go ahead and kick off your shoes. Don't worry, take them off. I'm going to stand, but it's best for you to be in a sitting position with your feet grounded so that you can feel your feet. Because what you're going to do, you don't have to close your eyes. Closing your eyes just removes the visual distractions, right? Because what I really want you to focus on, it works best when you do close your eyes, but you don't have to. What you want to do is you want to focus on everything that you are feeling. So you just take a moment and start with your toes. Feel your toes. Feel the bottoms of your feet. What does the floor feel like under your feet? This is an excellent thing to do if you're able to sit outside with your bare feet in the grass. There's actually a bacterium something vitae that is in the dirt that increases endorphin creation in your brain. So feel the bottoms of your feet. Feel the floor underneath you. Feel your legs, your calves. How tight are your calves? How relaxed are your calves? How does that feel? Feel your knees, right? Literally take yourself through every single part of your body. Your legs, your hips. Where are you sitting? What does your tuchus feel like sitting on the chair? Right? Is it a soft chair? Is it a hard chair? What does it feel like? You continue to do this, and you just work your way all the way up your body. Then I want you to feel your shoulders, relax your shoulders, feel your fingers, wiggle your fingers, pay complete attention to your fingers, pay complete attention to your upper back, your neck, your shoulders. I'm speeding the process up. It's good to take a little bit more time to do this. Feel the air about you. What does the air feel like? What this does is it brings you 100% into the now. Your brain is focusing on the now and everything that you are feeling now. So you can literally take this and expand the time and go through the entire, all of your body, head to toe. The air. Engage your senses. What do I smell? What does the air smell like? What does the air feel like? What's the temperature of the room? What does it feel like? Engage your sight. What does it look like? Pay attention to what you see. What you do when you